Here I have OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So to do this, you firstly have to tap on this arrow key. Then you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English. Then you have to select region, the one that fits you best. Then you have to agree with user agreement and user privacy, security and protection. Tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you have Google services. I suggest you to disable them and then tap accept. In order to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy, then tap skip. Then you can set up like lock screen, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings. You don't have to do it right now, or just don't do this at all. Then you have system navigation. I suggest you to use gestures because these buttons are just old-fashioned and not comfortable, not intuitive. Tap next. Then you can enable update overnight, but it's not that essential. Tap done and device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.